kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Habayadai bat ka kubor ba kishipai navy kelayo I yak artli kimet ke basakut hapo ka krem dawyong na kalyang menteri rang bah ka jela ulayathu ba ulayo jingtip habayadai bat kani bat kataru tanglang ba ka whatsapp bat hadu menta kimpat yo kano ka Kaiphod da ka jingtho ban penchisha ya kata Susu nakaliang jong menteri rang ba ulaong ba ka Sorkar kadang abya ka Kaiphod lang ba ka jingtho na deputy commissioner habayadai bat kani menteri rang ba ka jela ulay thuro ba kispai navy harangkat bat kiwe pat ki kenhun kidang trai sitom met labat sngi ban yo sei ya ki basakot hapo ka krem dawyong ha umpleng.
Preliminary reports on that they have spotted two bodies, but it's yet to be confirmed in writing. This is something that we received from WhatsApp, so I don't want to share that it has been done or not. But yes, if you are referring to that message, then that's the message you have received unofficially. So we're still waiting for an official communication from the Deputy Commissioner in writing, informing that this is what it is. So we'll have to wait and see. But we have also received this message on WhatsApp, but no official written information by the DC, by the Deputy Commissioner yet. But the Navy and the other teams are working day and night. So let us see what the results we get.